Some of you have been down south and all.
Yeah,
So
spring break is coming up. They're probably going.
okay, some of you are going down south. So I'm going to tell you a little story so you know what you're in for. You see, there's this little plant down there. Looks a little bit like a turnip green. Not a lot. And they call it poke salad. Yeah, that's what they call it. You see, there's this little girl that goes down in the woods every night before supper time, and she picks herself a whole mess of it and brings it home for supper. 'Cause that's about all they have. But they're doing all right. They say they're doing all right. Down in Louisiana, where the alligators grow so mean, there's a young girl, I swear to the world, made the alligators look tame now. Here's what you got. Everybody thought it was a shame, 'cause the mama wasn't working on the shade. Yeah! Every night before supper time, went down to the turkey patch, picked her a mess of poke salad, carried it home in a toast sack. Poke salad. Everybody thought it was a shame, Mama wasn't working on a shake. Yeah. It was me that low down, claimed they had a flat back. All her brothers were good folk, making watermelons from my short patch. Poke salad. Everybody thought it was a shame, 'cause the mama was working on a shake. Yeah! Chang, 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 chang,